Hello everyone, a warm and cheerful welcome from Housey. We are super excited to share an exciting opportunity with y'all which is happening right here at Brigade Valencia, the most sought after development in southeast Bangalore. And here's the best part, you can now avail the Big Zero offer on purchase of 3 and 4 BHK in this project. Yes, that means zero infra charges, zero maintenance charges, zero gas connection charges and no extra fees, and you can save up to 17 lakhs. So what exactly Housey is? Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Located bang on National Highway 43, one of the longest highway that directly connects you to the North India. Connected to Yellow Metro line, which is currently functional, and the nearest metro station is Bombay Sandra, which you can connect in 5 minutes. Upcoming STRR, that is Satellite Town Ring Road, which is located from 17 minutes away from the location of the project, which is 6-lane road, and 60% of this highway is completed, currently operated from Devanahalli to Hoskote. One living in Attibali can connect to International Airport of Bangalore in 1 hour. Also, STRR is SEZ zone, that is Special Economic Zone, due to which many commercial IT tech parks and industries will be coming near to the location. Along with Siemens is coming with biggest office campus diagonally opposite to the project, where 4,000 to 6,000 employees will be working in this office. Brigade Valencia is a Spanish-themed township developed in total 24 acres of land parcel. Apart from residential towers, this project offers commercial space as well. Upcoming mall in front of the project, 5-star hotel for Fairfield GW Marriott. Also 5 lakh square feet of office space inside the project itself. 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK 2T are completely sold out. So if you're booking in this project, then 3 BHK 3T and 4 BHKs are available for you. 3 BHK of 1734 square feet with 2 spacious balconies facing from southeast direction is available. That means you'll be getting sunlight and proper ventilation from day to evening. 4 BHK, which is the most premium unit in this project with the corner flats. That means you'll be getting the 3-side open view. Best part of 4 BHK right now is you'll be able to purchase 4 BHK in the price of 3 BHK itself. Yes, you heard it right, starting from 2.5 CR onwards, and many more offer, and this offer are live now. So register yourself for free on www.housey.com and schedule your free site visit.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.